Hi guys, so my name is Elizabeth, and for my career presentation, I chose a medical sales rep. So, basically, a summary of what they do. They are responsible for selling medical products to hospitals, clinics, doctor's office, and healthcare professionals. The products they sell include medical devices, medical equipment, and pharmaceuticals to be used in general practices, primary care trusts, hospitals, and pharmacies. So, if you look at the job responsibilities, like I said before, they sell the medication from their company. They schedule appointments with doctors, pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals to promote those products. And they build and maintain good business relationships with those customers to encourage repeat purchases in the future. The settings that you would typically see them working at would be a hospital, a pharmacy, or clinical practices. So, the education you would need would be a bachelor's degree in either nursing, pharmacy, life sciences, or business. To gain experience, you could intern with a medical sales companies, which there is a lot of. You could shadow an established medical sales rep or volunteer at a hospital or doctor's office. Some core competencies and skills that I found were area 2, which is planning, and area 6, which is communication. So for area 2, you would have to plan presentations ahead of time and plan what to say or how to approach a customer. For area 6, I think communication is key because this will determine whether or not you gain or lose a customer. You are trying to get them to buy from the company you work for, and if you're not persuasive or intriguing, you could potentially lose a customer. So, if we look at the employee outlook, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, from 2018 to 2028, there will only be a 1% employment change, which is not a lot, but I think it's because not a lot of people know about this job. So, for the career path, you can go two different routes. You could start off as a medical sales rep and move to different levels of management, such as district or regional manager, directors of sales, or a senior director or the vice president. Or you could work in various departments, such as managing different drugs and drug launches. And for drugs, I'm talking about medical purposes. Um, so why I chose medical sales rep was because I have always had an interest in business, but I chose the health field route because I had more knowledge in this field and everything I learned in the health industry clicked better in my head. I initially had never heard of this job until a few months ago when I was looking for internships and came across this job title. I looked into it because I didn't know what it was, but I thought it was interesting. So I found it fascinating, but I knew this job wasn't fit for me, which is why I probably wouldn't ever do it. And that is my presentation. Thank you.